We're back at the Onion, where great food and a lively atmosphere combine to create a place full of energy and fun.
It's just a good, well-decorated place, and it's fun to come to.
Both like the food. It's laid back, relaxing. Our server knows us.
You can bring kids here, they'd be comfortable. I'd bring grandparents here, they'd be comfortable.
It's upbeat.
Owner Christy Belisle works hard to make the Onion a place the whole family can enjoy.
We are family friendly. We love to see kids in here. That's our next generation of guests, so we do a lot of fun things.
It's definitely laid back. Everyone seems to be having a good time here.
The food's great, the atmosphere's great.
Some unique but local flavors, which I like a lot.
Here it seems like there's more effort put into making the food and making sure the ingredients are, theirs.
We do source everything we can locally. Our produce is fresh and local, but the onions come out of the Walla Walla district or in the Yakima area. They're all Washington. We like to support our state and our local growers.
Yeah.
When you think of Spokane and being downtown and what's fun and a good place to go, the Onion would be absolutely on the list of places that you should go.
Now it's off to the kitchen. We are back at the Onion, talking about onions with the Onion chef, Lance Berg.
Yeah, we're going to be making our onion soup. We've been selling it since we've been open. We're just going to start chopping up some onion, boys.
You put onions in everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
That's kind of our thing.
Do you have any tricks on how to keep them from making you cry?
I've been working on that since I started here about 5 years ago, and I haven't found anything yet.
Now we start heating up the pot and add in some butter. And onion soup is pretty simple, simple ingredients. There's not much
A little
here,
booze,
right?
little onion.
For the chef or for the soup?
The boss is going to be around today, so let's not.
Next, we take all our onions and dump them in the pot.
So you want the onions to start to get a little translucent, not 100% see-through. And then I always look for just a little brown edge. But if you get that little caramelization, you still get a little crunch.
Yeah. And you go home smelling like onions.
Onions and garlic. That's
awesome.
That's the life of
I
the
love
chef
that.
right there.
Yes.
We always try to buy Washington first, obviously. All of our ingredients, we do our best to make sure that it's within a 300-mile radius.
Right?
Yeah.
Now we deglaze the pan with some sherry and some Worcestershire sauce. Then add some basil and salt. Finally, we add some beef base and some water, bring it to a boil, and then leave it to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes.
While we wait for this, we're gonna do our bacon-wrapped onion rings.
You had me a bacon.
Yeah.
And onions. Bacon-wrapped onion rings.
There's a little bit of mozzarella cheese in there too.
First, cut your onions in half. Are we going to use the whole onion for your onion ring? Or
Nope,
no?
just this first outer layer right here.
And so then the rest of the leftover onions then you use.
Right into our onion soup. Yeah, look at that. You beat me, and I've been doing this for 5 years.
And it's just that first one?
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Let's see, that mine just came off really fast.
Oh, you cheated. You cheated.
Cut up your mozzarella into strips, then lay them inside the onion ring. Finally, wrap it all up in some bacon strips.
The main guy that does it, his name's Carl. He can do 40 of these in 30 minutes.
That's pretty darn good.
Yeah, that took me 5 minutes,
Right.
and I'm his boss.
So, go Carl. Now you put them in the deep fryer for about 2 minutes. Those look decadent.
They are. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh my gosh. To finish the soup off, put in some croutons and melt some mozzarella and Swiss cheese over the top.
And boom.
Voila. This is happy food right here.
Really just warms up the soul, I think.
That is so delicious.
And this recipe has not changed once in 45 years.
So thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. To get the recipe for the onions, French onion soup, and bacon-wrapped onion rings, visit wagrown.com.